lesson, we will talk about common errors in using personal pronouns. First of all, let's talk about the errors which we make while using the pronouns I and me in our sentences. Here, I would like to ask you to pause the video and read the sentences displayed on your screen. Every sentence has been written twice. You have to find out which one is correct. Me and James work in the same company, or James and I work in the same company. Are you confused between these two, or you are finding both of them correct? To find answer to this question, we need to recollect our subject and object, subjective case and objective case. Here, me and James are playing the role of subject, so we cannot use me here. Rather, we would be using the subjective case I. I and James work in the same company. But this is also wrong sentence. We never place ourselves first while talking or writing in English. As you know that English is a sophisticated language where we need to show respect towards others, and while talking or writing we always prefer the other person at the first place. So we will be saying James and I work in the same company. Similarly, you and me are at hostel. Now it's easy for you to find error here. Here you and me both are subject. So we will be using subjective case I. So the second sentence, you and I are at hostel, is correct. Here we have placed second person you before I. When we look at the third sentence, the teacher gave the assignment to me and Johan. Here the teacher is the subject and me and Johan are playing the role of objects. So we will be using objective case me here. But again, to show respect, we need to place Johan first. So we will be saying the teacher gave the assignment to Johan and me. I hope now you have understood the importance of placing correct pronouns in the sentences. Let's talk about common errors with possessive pronouns ours, yours, hers, its, and theirs. Most of the children use apostrophe while using possessive pronouns in their writing, which is wrong. That means they use ours, yours, theirs, hers like this in their writing. Here you need to know that apostrophe is used to show contraction of two words like what's stand for what is, that's stand for that is. Apostrophe s means is, and that's why we do not use apostrophe while using possessive pronouns ours, yours, theirs, hers, etc. Now let's do one worksheet to have better understanding. Just pause the video and find error in these sentences and make correction. Let's discuss the answers. Rohan and I went to America last year. Yes, here me is wrong and we will be using the subjective case I because Rohan and I are subjects here. Me and my wife are planning to purchase a property. What is wrong in this sentence? Here, subjective case I should be used, but we need to place it at the second place we will be saying, my wife and I are planning to purchase a property. Third sentence, the teacher told Raman and I to distribute notebooks. Here, the teacher is subject and Raman and I are playing the role of object. So, we will use objective case of I, that is me. In the next sentence, she is as fast as I. She and I are playing the role of subjects because there is no receiver of the action. That is why there is no object in this sentence. Always remember this rule that when two subjects are being compared, we use subjective case only. Let's move on to the next sentence. He likes us better than them. Here, he is our subject, us and them. They are playing the role of object, and that is why we will be using objective case. So, this sentence is correct and this one is also correct. I hope all your doubts related to personal pronouns are clear. So, for more videos, keep watching and keep learning.